Okay, today I'm going to show you a quick trick that's going to help save you the cost of a service fee, either now or down the road. As you see here, I have a shutoff valve underneath the sink. It's constantly dripping. It's going straight into a bowl. You look carefully, it's coming from just behind the handle. So this valve has what we call a packing nut on it. Over time, this packing nut will become loose. That can happen if you toggle the valve. It can also happen even if you're not toggling it, just because of the vibrations of the water that flow through over time. So what we're going to do is take a small pair of pliers and we're just going to tighten it down. Now we're going to hold back on the valve to prevent the pipe from spinning. We have CPVC pipe here, so we want to be particularly careful. So we're just going to grab the valve, hold it down, take your pliers on that packing nut, tighten it down. Watch what happens. No more leaking. This same trick works on these style shutoff valves. It also works on hose spigots as well as main shutoff valves as well. So thanks for watching. Hope this helps.